Welcome to the Man and the Pan. You know, last night was really amazing. I had Saimin because it was really cold. But I had leftover noodles and I had leftover Chinese roast pork. So what I'm going to do is show you how to make those things into an unbelievable dish. First, I grab the Saimin noodles. I boil them for about 2 to 3 minutes. Rinse and drain the noodles. When the pan heats up, grab the noodles. Fry it in a pan with a little oil. Cook it for about 2 or 3 minutes on each side until the thing comes crispy like that. And I kind of made it like a little square shape. It's just about done. Right over here. Let it cut into pieces. And I'll set it aside. Then I chunked 3 skinny eggplant, soaked it in water, drained it, and set it aside. Then I sliced these leftover 3-inch Chinese roast pork and set it all on the side. Then I finely diced 3 cloves of fresh garlic, very thin, and set it aside. Then it was stir-fry time. Just a little oil. In the pan, I first add in the diced garlic. Then I added in the Chinese roast pork. Okay? Just like that. Put them in my pan. You can smell like garlic already. See? Garlic frying with the... Oh boy, if you had smell of it, you could smell them a mile away. Remember, this was leftover roast pork from last night's Saimin, leftover Saimin noodles. And just when the roast pork is crispy and the garlic is all turning crispy, grab the eggplant, dump it right in. Okay? Now, if the eggplant is too big and fat and thick, you gotta cut them in half. This is my favorite sauce now. Become key. It's a mushroom stir-fry sauce. Carrie from Big Island Candy showed me how to use this. So I put in about 2 tablespoons. Add in a little bit pepper flake, maybe half teaspoon. To give it a little bit kick. I'm gonna stir it all around like this. I got my chicken broth, just about almost 1 cup. Just dump it in right in here, okay? With the cover, you don't have a cover like that. You can use aluminum foil. Okay, I think it's about done. Wow. Oh, check this baby out. Look at that. Then I poured it over the crispy Saimin noodles. Oh, it looks so good. 12 months top tea. Okay, there you go. Man, this is like a makeover special. With I have Saimin from leftovers. I have some roast pork from leftovers and I had some eggplant. Okay, here you go. Gonna look good. Let's see how it tastes. Oh, it's so hot, but it's so good. Oh. I scared shut my eyes because it's so good. I'm gonna have a hard time opening. Wow, the burger is so honor. So here we go. I see you again next week for another Man in the Pan. Make sure you use the leftovers and make makeovers. Aloha.